Hello everybody, good morning. It's a bright day today. My name is Dr. Akintunde Akinrimade from Cedarcrest Hospitals, and as you can see, we're all gathered here this lovely day to celebrate World Blood Donor Day. Blood, like we know, gives life. As the last time I checked, there's no factory that manufactures blood. So we all depend on voluntary, non-remunerated blood donors. If you donate blood, you're probably saving 1 or 2 more lives. There are people who need it, pregnant people in the hospital, people who suffer from road traffic accidents and other traumas, sickle cell patients and all that. Incidentally, today is also World Sickle Cell Day. So it's like a double celebration in two. There are plenty of health benefits that accrue from donating blood. Apart from the fact that you are removing older red blood cells, and then it triggers your body to produce younger, fresher red blood cells for your body. Come and donate blood. Save a life today. Thank you very much.